everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Vanila and I welcome you to my channel. Please subscribe and put likes and comments, so it will be very nice to see that you like my video. I'll be very pleased. As you know, I like to crochet and knit. So this is what I've done recently. It's headset with crochet of Hello Kitty. So that's how it looks on me. It functions just like any headset, so it's nothing interfering with anything. So you can still use these headphones like music. You can listen to the music, you can do DJing. I do DJing in them, and they are very practical. And I hope that you like these. They are very cute. I've done it in a day. It took me a day to make the bow, the ears, and this circle. I love it. I hope you love it too. If you love it, please write in the comments below. And if you have more ideas of what I can do on the headset, I'll do the pleasure. Do you like these, Mom?
Oh, of course.
It's cute, isn't it?
Yes, very cute.
And the only thing that costs me is actually the headset. So as you can see, it's got a lead, it's got a power cable, and it functions properly. It's just looking a bit funky, a bit cute, a bit like Hello Kitty. So I hope you like how it looks on me. When I'm at home, I DJ in these, and they work pretty well. And I love it. It's comfy, it's cute, and very unique. I have made it out of my imagination, and I've made the ears possibly a bit bigger than I planned. So I hope it still looks like a cat. It looks like Hello Kitty. So I'm thinking to actually do maybe reindeer headset for like winter time, winter party. If you have more ideas, please write below and in the comments. So you like these then? Thank you very much for watching and subscribing and for liking my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun watching me doing many interesting things. So hopefully we meet next time in the next couple of videos. Stay tuned and wait for the bell to ring you. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Vanila and I love you lots.